we will now be launching a short film, Manohar Parrikar, a visionary technocrat, at the hands of Shri Jose Manuel Noronha, Chairman, Goa Public Service Commission, Chairman, Goa State Innovation Council, and Chairman of the Executive Committee of Manohar Parrikar Vidyan Mahotsav 2019.
He always looked upon Goa with distinct standpoint. A clear vision of sustainable development and clear technology for the state of Goa. Goa is one of the states with highest literacy rate in the country. And the late Mr. Manohar Parrikar, as its highly educated Chief Minister, a gifted leader, has facilitated Goa to touch the mark that every progressive mind wishes to encompass. His affection towards science and knowledge resulted into one of the finest talk series that Goa has encountered in the year 2018.
I remember the words of Shri Manohar Bhai was my leader, my mentor. He showed me the way. He told me, Dr. Pramod Sawant will lead you all. You all have to follow one leader, how you all followed me. And I think if you follow one leader, you will achieve all the dreams which I had shown you all, which I had told you. His vision which was there, Manohar Bhai's, will see the light of the day under the leadership of our Dr. Pramod Sawant.
It gives a great pleasure to welcome all of you for this prestigious science event, Manohar Parrikar Vidyan Mahotsav, aptly named after the leader and who will adore and respect our late CM Manohar Parrikar. I assure you that my government will fully support such initiatives and which will benefit our people and help us in the path of development. My best wishes for the organizing this type of mega event. Thank you. Varana.